about father, mother. So he is for boys or for men, right? And she is for girls or for women. There. And then her. Her also is for mother. And also his. His is for also the father for boys. Okay. So there are different kinds of jobs that our parents can do, like director, architect, lawyer, farmer, or officer. Okay. So how are we going to use this vocabulary? For example, teacher asks you, what is the name? What is the name of your father? Or I can also ask, who is your father? Okay, who is your father? So student, you can say, my father is, what is your father's name? My father is, for example, Alex. My father is Alex Nguyen, like that. Okay, so you can you have to tell me the name. Okay, my father is, who is your father, and how old is he? My father is, you have to tell the name, and he is age. Okay, for example, teacher will ask, okay, Sammy, who is your father and how old is he? So Sammy will answer, my father is Alex Nien, like that. He is 57 years old, like that. Okay, so you can answer it, you can answer teacher in a complete sentence. Okay, who is your father and how old is he? Like that. And then when teacher asks another question, what does he do? What does he do? Or what is he doing? Okay, teacher. And then you will answer me is, he is a farmer. Okay. Or you can also say, he works at the farm. Like that. Okay. Or you can say, his work is at the farm, or her. If it's if we're going to talk about your mother, you can say her. Okay. So don't forget this one. I'm going to erase this because you will not be able to read. Okay. So teacher, who is your father and how old is he? You can say, my father is, you have to tell the name, and he is 57 years old, the age. Okay. And then teacher will also ask, what does he do? You can say, she is a nurse, or he is a farmer, like that. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, you got it. So I will erase this already. So let's see. Okay? Now let us start. I'm going to start asking. So I want V first. V, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, V, let us start. So V, could you please tell me about your mother? Who is your mother and how old is she?
My mother is he, and she is 49.
She is 49 what? 49 years?
49 years old.
Okay. Can you make it more louder? V, your voice is it's not loud. Again, can you say it again? How about your father? Can you tell me about your father? Who is he and how old is your father?
My fa my father is young, and he is 51 years old.
Okay, and what does he do?
His work is a businessman.
Okay, how about your mother? What does she do?
She work is a businessman.
Okay, okay, thank you, V. Next, let's have Sammy. Sammy, could you tell us about your mother? Who is your mother and how old is she?
My mother is the kid, and she is 49 years old.
Oh, she is still young. Okay, she is 49 years old. And what does she do?
She is a sailor.
Okay. And then how about your father? Could you tell us about your father? Who is your father and how old is he?
My father is a teen, and he is 53 years old, and now he works in the construction.
Wow. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Sammy. Next, how about you, May? May, could you tell us about your mother? Who is your mother and how old is she?
My mother is her and she is 49 years old. She is a farmer.
She's a farmer. Okay. And how about your father? Who is your father and how old is he?
My father is Thai. He is 50 years old and he is farmer.
He's a farmer too. He's a farmer too, May. Both of them.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. How about you, Rose? Rose, could you tell us about your mother? Who is your mother and how old is she?
My mother is Lynn and she is 49 years old. She is a farmer.
She is a farmer. How about your father? Can you tell us about your father? Who is your father and how old is he?
My father is South and she is 53 years old. He is a farmer too.
Oh, okay, yes. Very good for using the word too. Okay, good. How about Sarah? Sarah? Tell us about your father. Who is your father and how old is he?
My father is he is 60 years old. He is a farmer.
And what does he do? He's a farmer. That's all.
He is a farmer.
And how about your mother?
My mother is Lệ. She is 60 years old.
What does she do?
She is a farmer too.
She's a farmer too. Okay, very good. Yes. And last one, how about you, Cara? Tell us about your mother.
My mother is Lee. She is 15 years old.
What does she do?
She is a farmer.
She is a
farmer.
Okay, and how about your father?
My father is Nguyen. He is 53 years old. He is a farmer too.
Okay, he's a farmer too. Very good. So don't forget, yes, that is right. If it's the same, if both of them have the same work, don't forget to use the word to. Okay, so you will not repeat it.